Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making grilled lobster tacos. The first thing that we want to mix together is the basting butter. So put 1.5 sticks of butter into a cast iron pan. Then you want to add about 5 tablespoons of minced garlic and also 2 to 3 tablespoons of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Seafood Boost. Then you want to place this on the grill, melt the butter, mix it thoroughly and set aside. So the next thing that you want to do is prepare the lobster tails. And when it comes to making grilled lobster tacos, it doesn't have to look beautiful. So just take a pair of kitchen shears and cut up the back. Then you want to separate the lobster meat from the shell. Then I like to insert 2 wooden skewers to keep the lobster tail from bending during the cook. While we're waiting for the grill to get up to temperature, it's time to half 2 avocados, remove the pit, then you want to slice it into small cubes and put it in a bowl. Now when the grill is hot, we're going to start grilling the lobster tail. You want to start by grilling the lobster tail meat side down until they get a nice char. This will take between 3 to 5 minutes. Then you want to flip them over, and now we're going to baste them with a butter baste. And you want to baste them several times. Then it's time to cook the lobster tail until they reach an inner temperature of about 130 degrees, and then we want to remove them from the grill. While you're finishing the lobster tail, you also want to heat up the tortillas. Now we want to let the lobster tail cool off a little bit, and then it's time to chop up the lobster meat. Now it's time to build a taco, and you want to start by putting some broccoli slaw at the bottom. Then you want to add a couple of scoops of avocados. Next, we're going to add the chopped lobster meat. Then we're going to top it off with pico de gallo. We're going to drizzle it with some lime cilantro crema. And finally, add a couple of leaves of cilantro as well. And that is how I make my grilled lobster tacos. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this beautiful beast of goodiness. So here we go. Tilt the head. Come on. Happy grilling.